Hello, Esther here, and today I'm going to teach you about atoms. Yeah, those funky little guys. But I can already hear what you're saying. But Esther, you beautiful, beautiful human being, what on earth is an atom? And I'm glad you asked. An atom is the basic particle of the chemical elements. Now that we've defined an atom, let's talk about the subatomic particles. Now I can already hear what you're saying. The subatomic what? Slow it down, the subatomic particles. Atoms contain three subatomic particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons have a positive charge, think P for positive, and neutrons have a neutral charge, so neither positive nor negative. Think of the word neutral. It typically means you're in the middle of something. You're not yes or no, you're just maybe. And finally, that leaves us with electrons, which, as you can probably guess, have a negative charge. The structure of an atom is pretty simple. At the center of an atom, there's protons and there's neutrons, which are usually bundled together. This is called the nucleus. Outside of the nucleus, there are electrons, which are located on rings, better known as orbitals. Here's a super amazing drawing that I did, because I'm an artist!
Now let's take a little history trip and look at the different models for atoms over the years. The first model was proposed by John Dalton in 1807. He envisioned the model to look like a solid sphere. Boring, of course, J.J. Thomson in 1897 said enough is enough and shared his vision of the model, which was dubbed the plum pudding model. It looked more like a cookie as it was sphere-shaped with electrons looking like chocolate chips. Ernest Rutherford in 1911 added along to it, with his vision being protons in the center surrounded by electrons. In 1913, Niels Bohr shared his vision for the atom's structure, being similar to Rutherford's as the protons were in the center and surrounded by electrons, but now they have orbitals, hence its name being the planetary model. Then, in 1926, Erwin Schrödinger showed his idea for the model, which we use to this day. He believed that the atom had a nucleus surrounded by electron clouds, which meant that the electrons were moving so fast that their exact location could not be pinpointed.
Well, there you have it, folks. That's my S-Talk on atoms. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Esther out.